Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com, here to do a trade review of a day trade I had this morning on GMCR. So the idea is GMCR got the prior earnings super strong, created a pretty clear resistance level here that was tested and breached, but ultimately failed to hold, and it's been kind of trading in this range ever since. So my bigger picture idea is eventually it's going to have to fill this gap, and below kind of this area and this area, I am definitely looking short, and I'm definitely going to short down into this gap. But let me just mark down some key price levels, which is going to be the low of this candle and the low of this candle here. Low of this candle and the low of this candle. So let me go to the trades. So as you can see here are those two levels drawn out, basically below this low and kind of below in this low area. So what I did was I wanted to get in short earlier, but I didn't get a chance to. I would think I went to get short, I believe. Yeah, we're just pretty much right at the level here, but I didn't. But I missed this one. But when it pulled back here, if you notice how low volume on this pullback, you know this bar moved up so much, basically wiped out all of the losses from all the losses from these last three bars. But look how much volume was done in the last three bars, and you're telling me that this little bleep would be able to wipe out all this? Nah, I didn't think so. So what I wanted to do was short right at the EMA, right at the 21 with a stop above it. That would have been probably an 8-cent stop, so I could have loaded up on thousands of shares and still have a very low risk. But I missed that opportunity, and I did not get in until like 73.15 or so, maybe somewhere around down there. And I didn't even get as much shares as I wanted. I only had 200. Over here, I would have had like at least 1,000, but I felt like I kind of missed it, so I didn't want to chase with such a big size because I knew my stop was going to be up here regardless. So down here I'm risking 40 cents. Here I'm risking 8 cents. So even if I had 1,000 shares here, I would have risked $80. 40 cents times 200 shares, that's another $80. So at least I was mindful of my risk. So that's a good thing. But that's my initial entry, and my target was pretty much this area here. I was thinking if it goes below 71.50, then it could continue down further into the next level, which is around 70, I think 70.60, 70.50. But anyhow, as it was trading lower, I added some on this pullback here, and then I covered some down here at 71.50, and initially I had my stop right below this area, but I had to leave my trading desk, so I just kind of covered around 71.75 the rest of my shares. So it could have been a really great trade had I got in a full size here, but at the same time, at least I did think risk management all the way instead of just hitting size to hit size. So that was a great thing. And that's pretty much all for this trade. I am definitely gonna look to get short below these levels because, like I said, I do want to participate in this eventual gap fill. But that's all for this trade. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.